Good morning, dear children. Myself, Vijay Lakshmi. How are you? Are you fine? Welcome to our social studies class. Today, we are going to discuss about the effects of water pollution. Dear children, in the previous class, we learned about water pollution and different causes of water pollution. What are the main causes of water pollution? I said to you. First one is sewage water from our household activities, agricultural waste, industrial waste, and oil spills. These are the important causes of water pollution. Today we are going to discuss about effects of water pollution in different part of the world, and it will affect not only human beings, it will affect the birds, animals, and even aquatic animals. Now, sewage waste in our house, we are using waste product from the human beings. We can dump in the oceans or in the rivers. Due to this, we will get different kinds of diseases. Not only sewage waste, okay, industrial waste and agricultural production. These also one of the main important reason for water pollution. These waste have consist of different kinds of chemicals. These chemicals will affect the water bodies and health of human and life of aquatic animals. If we drink this contaminated or polluted water, we will get various diseases. Let us discuss what are the diseases we will get from contaminated water. This contaminated water has consist of bacteria and virus. This bacteria virus spread diseases like typhoid, cholera, hepatitis, skin infection, gastroenteritis. These are the different kinds of diseases we will get from water pollution. We should not get such kind of diseases. Must and should we examine the water quality regular basis to avoid its destructive effect on human health. Most of the farmers are using irrigation system to grow the crops. After using this irrigated water, they are sending back this water to the rivers. Along with water, most of the soil also will pass away, and they will decrease the deepness of the river. This is also one of the reason for water pollution, and most of the farmers are using pesticides, fertilizers. This pesticide and fertilizer has consist of chemicals like potash, zinc, and this fertilizer and pesticides has consist of organic and inorganic matter. This organic and inorganic matter will increase the algae. Are you finding some green part on the water? It is algae. When this algae will increase on the water, the bacteria's numbers also will increase in the water. This bacteria will consume more oxygen. When this bacteria will consume more oxygen, it is difficult for the aquatic animal to get the oxygen because the oxygen level will decrease due to this bacteria. Due to the decrease of oxygen level, these aquatic animals suffocate inside the water, lack of oxygen, and they will die after some time. Now you understand, children, bacteria use up whatever oxygen available in the water because its number is increased. Now fish and other aquatic animal will die due to the lack of oxygen. Most of the industry will produce different kinds of products. In this production, they will use number of chemicals like lead, mercury. This mercury, lead, after using, the waste things will pass to the rivers and oceans. If lead in our water can cause headache and high blood pressure, and you also will get memory loss and kidney troubles due to this lead in water. If you consume this lead content water, you will get headache, high blood pressure, memory loss, and kidney troubles. Another important cause of water pollution is oil spills. Most of the oil mines, oil refineries are transporting oil in water bodies. This oil will accidentally or carelessness of the human beings will mix with the water. This is also major important water pollution. Already you know petrol is a less dense oil. Less dense means it is thick. This petrol will not mix with the water. It is floating on the water surface. It spread around, and some of the birds or mammals will move in this oil. This oil stick their feathers, stick their body. It is difficult for them to come out from this water, and it is difficult for them to swim. Because of this oil spills, most of the mammals and birds lost their lives. Not only birds and mammals will lose their lives, most of the aquatic animals won't get sufficient oxygen due to this oil, and they will lose their lives. If this oil spill, dead fish will eaten by any birds or their babies, they also lost their lives. A number of mammals, birds and aquatic animals lost their lives due to these oil spills. Actually, petrol has consist of hydrocarbon. Due to this, plants in the ocean is not able to photosynthesis, and due to this presence of oil on the top of the water, the sunlight will not penetrate inside the water. So that reason, most of the ocean plants will die due to this oil spills. To prevent oil spills is the responsibility lies equally on individual as well as on the government. This oil spills actually caused by the carelessness of the human beings rather than accident. It is responsibility of the oil refineries to check the machineries and pipeline system regularly, and it should not happen any leakage of the pipes or other oil tankers. There is certain technology have been improved to clear the oil spills on the oceans. With the help of this technology, most of the government should clear the oil spills in oceans, protect the aquatic animals, mammals, birds and ocean plants. Now the main important effects of the water pollution is dumping of the plastic materials in the water. It is the one important major effect. This plastic lead a major destruction to the aquatic animals. Do you know some of the plastic material the aquatic animal, or some of the rings will move inside the neck of the aquatic animal? The animal will grow, the ring will tie with their neck, and they will lose their lives. Are you finding in the image? This plastic material will not damage, they will kill the aquatic animals. Are you finding? See, some of the plastic materials wrap the neck of the mammals. It is finding difficult to move. Not only it will, plastic material will affect the aquatic animal, it will affect us. Do you know most of the seafood eaten by human beings? Do you know this fish sometimes will eat the small particles of plastic materials? Are you finding in this image? After long time, this plastic material will tear and it will turn into small pieces. This pieces is eaten by the fish. That fish, small fish eaten by the big fish, and this big fish we are using as a food. Indirectly, this plastic product not only eaten by fish, this plastic product actually entered to our body with the help of seafood. Do you know plastic is not easily digest to any living creatures? It is not a food item. It will create a different kinds of disease in our body, and as well as aquatic animal body also it will damage. Then what shall we do with this? We can follow three main important things. Already I said to you. Reduce the plastic material, reuse and recycle. These are the three important things we can prevent from these kinds of effects. Do you know, children? Agriculture is producing one of the important contaminated chemicals, that is nitrate. If nitrate is present in the water, For example, high level of nitrate in water. If nitrate is present 10 milligrams in a water, we can get blue baby syndrome. Okay, it is a infant disease. Most of the small babies will get this illness. If they will get this blue baby syndrome, they're finding difficult to breathe. They won't get oxygen properly. Now, how to protect ourselves from this water pollution? Nowadays, different sewage water treatment plants have been set up. This is the one of the technology has been developed in different part of the world. Every country, every government should follow this sewage treatment plants. Better treatment of sewage should treat waste product before disposing of it in a water body. Okay, helps to reduce water pollution. And agricultural and other industrious waste can reuse this wastewater by reducing its toxic contents. Okay, this is the best method to protect ourselves from this water pollution. Not only ourselves, it is the responsibility of every human beings to protect the environment. What is that? In environment we are finding aquatic animals, birds and other living creatures. There is no any rights to us to damage their lives. They are unaware of this chemical production, this pollution. So this is the major responsibility of the human beings to control this water pollution and protect the environment. Dear children, just recall what we learned. Today we will learn effects of water pollution. Agricultural production, sewage from the household activities, oil spills, industries. And due to this water pollution, we will get different kinds of diseases. It is the responsibility of human beings to maintain the quality of water. As much as possible, we should control the water pollution to use the better treatment of sewage water and reduce the water pollution and reuse the waste water and control the chemical production using in different field. We promise ourselves to reduce as much as possible, reduce the use of plastic material and reuse again. If it is not possible, must and should recycle it. Don't throw anywhere. The plastic material is directly or indirectly damage human beings' health. Remember this one. Dear children, I hope you understand the lesson very well. Thank you very much for watching this video. Here I remain.